That's right. Let's do another one.
Yes.
Do another one.
Put it
Go.
like that. Like that.
She's the biggest kid.
Go. Go. Go.
Down in that snow fucking firecrackers in the air.
Is that like I love the smell of napalm in the morning?
Yeah,
exactly.
Go. Whoa. Whoa.
Yeah, it makes me go down from there.
Like maybe I shouldn't put it out. Here's another one. Here's another one.
Where are all the
That's
paint
the last one.
products?
We gotta fucking
the paint center.
Right, now what are we gonna do? We're gonna have to filter. Oh, jeez.
You're on fire!
Oh my god, dude. Oh my god, it burned through my shirt.
War, buddy.
It burned through my shirt.
Collateral damage right there.
That shirt's worth money now, dude.
That shirt's worth money now.
I know. Try another one. One more. Light it up.
Hanging on the wall.
Go!
It's art.
Oh my god. I was on fire, dude.